Are you a business owner who is looking to get more customers and more sales using the internet, but still not convinced that it is an effective way? Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to teach you the advantages of using internet marketing strategies to promote your business. So what's really internet marketing? Also known as digital marketing or online marketing, it is a form of marketing that uses the internet to send promotional messages to customers through digital channels. These digital channels can be search engine optimization, SEO, social media, email marketing, and others. Internet marketing can also be seen as a way to take advantage of existing digital channels to send a message regarding a company's brand or the products or service it sells to potential customers. The main objective of internet marketing is to get new potential customers through existing digital channels, where these potential customers spend time reading, buying, searching, or socializing online. The rapid adoption of internet use, whether for personal or commercial use, has generated many new digital channels intended for marketing. It is good to understand that internet marketing provides many benefits but also creates challenges. It also uses digital media to attract visitors and convert them into potential customers. Differences between internet marketing and traditional marketing. Online marketing differs from what is known as traditional marketing media. Let's check how they differ. The conventional marketing media are print, billboards, television, and radio. Before online marketing and all its channels appeared, the cost of marketing products or services was expensive, just as it was hardly measurable. To understand, just analyze advertising campaign on national television. The way to measure the effect of them was complicated because they are measured to consumer groups to determine the level of brand awareness among participants. Additionally, with these methods, it's not possible to know precisely the number of people who like or know the brand that is being advertised, and is very oriented to experiment. Today, anyone with an online business can use internet marketing by only creating a website to acquire customers through the use of online marketing campaigns, resulting in a small cost. The great advantage is that when done in this way, the products and services that are sold provide the ability to experience and optimize campaigns more efficiently to obtain a better return of investment. Advantages of internet marketing. Now I'm going to present 10 advantages of using internet marketing to promote your business online. Number 1. Internet marketing builds relationships with your potential customers at a low cost. Internet marketing is considered very important because it aligns with the way consumers make purchasing decisions. Several studies have indicated that the number of customers who use social media is increasing to do primary research and searches to make price comparisons before making any final purchase decision. Internet marketing allows you to build relationships with your potential customers through the customized media at a low cost. This action is something you cannot generally do with traditional marketing media. Number 2, internet marketing allows you to measure the impact of digital marketing channels. A great benefit of using online marketing channels to market a business or a product is the possibility of being able to measure the impact of digital marketing channels that are used to selling the product or service. In the same way, you can measure and know how visitors create some type of interaction with a website or landing page. You can know, for example, the viewers who become customers, those who pay for the product, etc. A more deep analysis can be done to determine which digital channels are the most efficient to acquire new potential customers. Number 3, the convenience of using internet marketing. Internet marketing allows the owner or manager of the business to be open 24 hours a day without having to worry about opening hours and closing hours of a physical store, for example. Nor it is necessary to pay overtime to a staff. Offering products online is very convenient for customers too. They can, for example, see your virtual store at practically any time of the day and make online orders when it's convenient for them. Number 4, the cost of doing internet marketing. Marketing products online costs much less than marketing them to physical stores. The cost of having a rent, a tangible property, and maintenance disappear entirely. You don't have to buy merchandise to display in your store. As you need merchandise, you can buy it depending on the demand of your customers, which allows you to have an inventory at a low cost. A well-planned and well-done digital marketing campaign can bring you the right customers at a much better price than traditional marketing media. Number 5, the reach of the internet. When you market online, you manage to pass the distance barriers. You can sell products and services anywhere in the country where you find yourself, without the need to be creating local stores. This advantage allows you to expand your business and the sales target further. Also, it will enable you to build and export your company to other countries. You won't need to create a network of distributors in each of these countries. What you have to keep in mind is that if you want to sell internationally, you have to use localization services to make sure that your products are usable by international local market and are by local laws of that country. In the same way, you have to hire translation services and you may have to make some type of modification of the products so that they can be sold in those markets. The good thing is that having a website allows you to find new markets and trade globally for a minimal investment of money. Number 6, the possibility of customizing offers. Internet marketing allows you to customize offers to customers, building profiles based on their shopping stories and preferences. By being able to track web pages and information about the products that your customers visit, for example, you can make targeted offers that are based on the preference and interest of particular customers. This information also serves to plan future sales, create future campaigns, which can make you increase your sales a lot, since you manage to sell to a single customer many times. If the information of your customers is in the database and is linked to your website, then when someone visits your website, you can directly present offers that are going to be attractive. The more products or services that buy from you, the more you can further refine the profile of these customers and make specific and more effective sales for them. Number 7, relationship with your customers. The internet provides an important platform to build relationship with your customers and increase what is called the retention level of current customers. When a customer has made the first purchase in your online store, you can start a relationship with him or her, sending them free message by email. The first message is to confirm the transaction and thank them for the purchase. The following to offer new products that are related to their preference and wishes. You can also invite them to make product reviews of the products they have purchased. By doing this, you manage to create a community in your virtual store, which increases trust among buyers and strengthens relationship with your customers. Number 8, the importance of the growth of social networks. Internet marketing allows you to take advantage of the growth of social networks. If you manage to involve your business in social networks and maintain it carefully, you can build loyalty between your customers and your online business, and also create a reputation that will help your business. Number 9, social currency. Digital marketing allows you to create campaigns where your customers generate a commitment to your brand using content marketing tactics. This content can be images, videos, or articles. You need to create what is known as social currency. This currency, which is passed from one user to another, becomes viral, since among them, your content is recommended, which allows you to acquire new customers. Number 10, improve conversion rate. If you have a website or a virtual store, you have the great advantage of being able to sell to your visitors quickly and easily. All they have to do is make a few clicks to buy the product you sell. This advantage differs from traditional media, where customers must make a call or go to a physical store to make the purchase. That's the reason why it is said that internet marketing generates immediate results. How to attract new customers using internet marketing. You can make use of internet marketing strategies to attract new customers. To do this, you can focus primarily on Number 1. Paid social media ads. You can use social media networks like Facebook or Instagram to get your message to an audience based on the geographical location, specific age, specific interest, etc. You can also pay social media influencers to share the images of your business to their established community on these social media networks. Number 2. Search engine optimization. To attract new customers, you also have to maintain a strong presence in what is known as search engine optimization. Customers make many searches through online search engines of possible products they want to buy. 80% do a previous investigation of a product before deciding to buy it. It is why it is imperative that your business has a presence in search engines, so it is essential to optimize your site for search engines. Merely having a significant presence in search engines allows you to sell a lot of your virtual store, and even high percentage of online purchases is due to the searches that users make by online search engines. They look for a product that they like and then go to the physical store to buy it. Number 3. Web design. In the same way, it is imperative that you spend some time and invest some resources for the design of your website. When users land on your site for the first time, they trust very much what they see. If they like your website design, they will like your brand and therefore they will buy your products. That's why the site has to be easily understood by them. It cannot be confusing and should look good. If any of these details are not well optimized, you will simply lose the customer. Bye-bye! For this reason, it is crucial that you take the time and invest the necessary resources to make your site friendly, either for mobile devices or for desktop computers. How to start with internet marketing. So now that you understand the advantages of using internet marketing, you may want to know how to start using it. Let's check it out. The first step to start in internet marketing is to evaluate your goals and make sure they are measurable. You have to know, for example, if you want to get 100 new customers in a month or need to create 1,000 new leads for your online business to increase your sales process or create a mailing list of 10,000 people. All these types of objectives must be created beforehand to achieve better and faster results. You need to decide on how to build an online presence that helps you achieve those goals and create marketing tools for each of the promotional channels. For example, if you are a person interested in blogging to reach your subscribers, then you should focus on creating the blog and creating useful content that makes your readers share it on your social media channels. In this way, you will be creating a partnership with your customers. They will be pleased to share your business or your content on social media channels. You can also get them to publish your case studies or your infographic, which make a compelling way to create what is known as social proof, because your customers are evaluating your business. A simple website or landing page with a lead capture form can help you a lot to start developing your brand and generate traffic to your site. A primary analytical platform such as Google Analytics can help you to start to measure how much you are tracking online marketing efforts through your initial goal. Internet marketing tools. There are a large number of tools that you can use to build and maintain an online presence. Among these we have affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing, A/B testing and website optimization, social media marketing, video marketing, marketing automation, events and webinars, search engine marketing, marketing analytics, content management system, pay-per-click advertising, LinkedIn ads, customer relationship management, and search engine optimization. After viewing this video, you should understand the advantages of using internet marketing strategies to promote your business. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? I would also like to know if you have had any experience using internet marketing. Was it positive? Did you manage to create your online presence? What internet marketing tools are you using to build and maintain your online presence? Please comment on it. The only way to make this information productive to your business is by applying it right now. Put it in practice at this precise moment. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information on how to use internet marketing to promote your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell that is next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and in your email the precise moment when I publish a new video, so you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you the best of luck using internet marketing. See you later in the next